Overall, the ambience and the vibe I think is pretty good to me. I love the session, I love the trainers, and I love the crowds as well. Yeah, I think so far I'm happy to be here. To summarize it, I think one of the main things that I learned from this session is the words influence. So what does that mean, right? It's actually to influence, spread a positive vibe, right? A positive motivations, helping each other out, and also to align back to our UST values, which is the integrity, right? So I think that's very important, and I think because for me, in my last few, I was actually with 2 years in UST. I did not able to interact with much people around. So actually, this actually give me a very good platform, right, to connect to people around. I think what I need to do now is more on like the, to actually, what do I call that? A continuous improvement for myself. So what does that mean, right? It's always towards the best, motivating myself towards the higher levels, and then to bring more positive right to my teammates, and also to carry on to the alignment of the USD value as well moving forward.